This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Brandy Holdeman. Available March 2020. Airy open concept living room and kitchen features all appliances, carpeting, and newer kitchen vinyl. One-level living with 2 bedrooms, full bath and convenient laundry area with washer and dryer included. Attached roomy 1-car garage. Relax on the covered front porch or admire the view of the large, partially wooded backyard from the covered rear porch. Lawn maintenance is included. Quiet and well-tended neighborhood close to Highway 37 and convenient to Bloomington and Ellettsville. For more information, review the details below or contact Brandy Holdeman at 812-323-1231.